West Lake in Hangzhou, a place where mist meets mountains, and legends breathe in every ripple of the water. Among its timeless tales, one stands above all, the legend of the immortal white snake.
The immortal white snake. Once upon a time, there was a small white snake. A snake catcher was about to kill her, but a kind boy rescued her. The white snake never forgot the boy's kindness. After 1,000 years of cultivation, she transformed into a beautiful woman named Suzhen. She married the boy's reincarnation, Xian. Suzhen helped Xian open a pharmacy. They treated the poor free of charge, earning deep respect from the people. However, a monk named Hai from the Xian temple approached Xian. He warned Xian that his wife was a demon, but Xian didn't believe. Hai tricked Xian into making Suzhen drink Ryoga wine. This caused Suzhen to show her true form and frightened Xian to death. To save Xian, Suzhen went to a mountain to steal an immortal herb. After eating the herb, Xian opened his eyes. He forgot what happened and was happy to see his wife. But Hai didn't give up. He secretly invited Xian to Xian temple and imprisoned him. Suzhen used her magic to flood the temple. She wanted to force Hai to release Xian in this way. However, Suzhen violated heavenly laws. In the end, she was suppressed by Hai beneath the Leifeng Pagoda. Many years later, their son, Shiling, grew up and obtained the highest score in the imperial exam. He visited the Leifeng Pagoda to pay respect to his mother. His filial piety moved the heaven, and the Leifeng Pagoda collapsed. Suzhen regained her freedom. The family was finally reunited.
Today, West Lake remains a sanctuary of love and legend, its reflections whispering stories 1,000 years old. In the rain, it turns poetic, mist floating above bridges, soft ripples blending with willow trees. In summer, lotus flowers bloom across the lake, painting it with life and fragrance. In winter, the lake rests in silence, its frozen stillness echoing eternal peace, just like Suzhen's love that never fades.
This channel will continuously update cities and attractions in China. Welcome to follow and leave your comments.